We've all been talking about the acceleration of digital transformation. We're really seeing that in a couple of ways. One is digital experiences coming into play, and the other is a very real disruption, consumer disruption that's happening to our industry.
We're looking for a system that can not only meet the expectations of a changing market, but also to be one step ahead for the members of tomorrow. Perfect Gym helps us to make it happen.
What we need is a modern, open platform which is going to enable us to embrace some of the disruption that's going to come.
We started on our digital transformation journey, and Perfect Gym proved themselves more capable than anybody else to listen to our needs.
We decided to choose Perfect Gym for many reasons. The most important is the ability to generate reports, to read data, and the simplicity in doing this.
Then we should think about automation. It's automating that journey as they walk through the club, as they go through their experience with you.
We use Perfect Gym to automate the members' communication. We create personalized notifications to improve the customer experience and satisfaction.
It's automating the consumer's capabilities, fashion, to move from being a facility of choice or a place of choice and become a brand of choice.
I'm certain that we've selected the most appropriate platform that will enable our communities to connect with us and us to connect with our communities.
Then we move to platforming. Make sure we've got an open, modern-day platform that can allow us to really scale that digital presence.
One of the biggest challenges for enterprise chains, such as Fitness 24/7, is the IT system with a modern technology. We were looking for a software which can grow with us and customize to our needs.
Then we introduce the digital experiences, the really exciting bit that we can connect to as fitness facilities and start to be a whole life experience for our consumers.
Through the CRM functionality, we have now the ability to connect purposefully with each and every customer according to their usage trends, their interests, and their behaviors. And that really is a game changer.
Finally, once we've created it, we can take that data, we can digitally transform using it to invent new ways to grow and deliver new revenue streams for our industry.
It's incredible to see how a system can generate exciting and useful data to improve the quality of service and the product.
The goals we aim to achieve in partnership with Perfect Gym is to use the data to listen to our clients, to reach out to them, and to scale our business.
Perfect Gym, so it enables a company to have a digital strategy and build on top of that platform. It's built for enterprise, so for the chain that's trying to create a brand of choice rather than a place of choice.